Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're joining us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. This way, you'll stay updated with our daily insights designed to help you navigate the world of finance. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom? Today, we're diving into 12 finance rules that schools don't teach, and your wallet will thank you later. These are the game-changing tips that can transform your financial life. But that's not all. Make sure to watch until the end, because we've got two amazing bonuses for you. 12 key takeaways and 12 exercises to help you master these rules and take control of your financial future. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get started. Rule 1. Buying your first home. You might have heard that you need a 20% down payment to avoid private mortgage insurance. But here's the real deal. While higher mortgage payments can be a burden, waiting to save that 20% might mean chasing a moving target as home prices rise. If you can save comfortably within 5 years, go for it. If not, consider the trade-offs and maybe get into the market sooner. Rule 2. Save, save, save. Schools often say to save 10% of your income, but that's not enough to retire on unless you're making millions. Aim for 25-40% instead. Cut unnecessary expenses, like that daily coffee run, and put that money into a high-interest savings account. Trust me, your future self will thank you for this disciplined approach to saving. Rule 3. Emergency fund. The emergency fund is crucial. Recent stats show 40% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency. Aim to save 6 months of expenses, or more if you can. This fund will be your financial safety net if you lose your job or face unexpected costs. Start small, but start now. Rule 4. Budgeting basics. Budgeting isn't something schools prepare you for, but it's essential for financial stability. Create a budget that distinguishes between wants and needs. Tactical budgeting can help. You don't need to track every penny, but plan your expenses over several months and adjust as needed. This way, you can manage your bills and still save for the future. Rule 5. The power of compound interest. The power of compound interest is a game changer. Young people have the advantage of time. Even small amounts set aside in a high-interest account can grow substantially over the years. Consider this. A penny that doubles every day for 30 days is worth $10 million by the end. Start investing early and let compound interest work its magic. Rule 6. Secrets of credit. Credit scores are another area where schools fall short. Your credit score affects your ability to buy a house, get a car loan, or even secure a job. To build good credit, get a credit card, use it responsibly, and always pay your debts on time. This builds your credit history, showing lenders you're reliable and financially responsible. Rule 7. Rules of insurance. Insurance is critical if someone depends on you financially. Term policies are usually better than whole life insurance. Additionally, insure your car, home, and health. Umbrella insurance can cover multiple policies, often at a discount. Shop around to find the best rates and coverage options to protect yourself and your assets. Rule 8. Understanding taxes. Understanding taxes is vital. Schools don't teach this, but you need to know how to calculate your tax rate and what your take-home pay will be. This helps you evaluate job offers and price your products or services correctly. Use online calculators to figure out your gross pay, taxes, and net pay. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to taxes. Rule 9. Guard your health. Guard your health. Without insurance, a hospital visit can be financially devastating. Maintain a healthy lifestyle to avoid costly medical bills. If you don't have health insurance, get it as soon as possible. Prevention is better than cure. So eat well, exercise, and avoid harmful habits. Your health is your wealth, so protect it wisely. Rule 10. College debt isn't 100% necessary. Many believe student loans are a must for a degree, but that's not true. Look for scholarships, attend community college first, or work while studying. Some schools, like Davidson College, offer substantial aid to avoid debt. If you must take on debt, ensure it's for a high-paying career path. There are many ways to achieve your goals without being buried in loans. Rule 11. Invest in yourself. One crucial rule that's often overlooked is investing in yourself. This means continuing your education, learning new skills, and staying adaptable in a changing job market. Whether it's through formal education, online courses, or self-study, constantly improving your skill set will increase your earning potential and open up new opportunities. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Rule 12. Diversify your investments. Diversifying your investments is key to building wealth and protecting yourself from market volatility. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. This strategy reduces risk and increases the potential for steady, long-term growth. Bonus 1. Here are the 12 key takeaways from the video. 1. Buying your first home. Saving 20% for a down payment may be unrealistic due to rising home prices. Evaluate your savings capacity within 5 years or consider entering the market sooner. 2. Save, save, save. Aim to save 25 to 40% of your income, as 10% is insufficient for retirement. Cut unnecessary expenses and use high-interest savings accounts. 3. Emergency fund. Save at least 6 months of living expenses to cover unexpected events. Start small and build up gradually. 4. Budgeting basics. Create a budget distinguishing wants from needs. Use tactical budgeting to manage expenses without tracking every detail. 5. The power of compound interest. Start investing early to benefit from compound interest. Even small investments can grow significantly over time. 6. Secrets of credit. Maintain a good credit score by using credit cards responsibly and paying debts on time. A strong credit history is crucial for financial health. 7. Rules of insurance. Get term life insurance if someone depends on you financially. Insure your car, home, health, and consider umbrella insurance for comprehensive coverage. 8. Understanding taxes. Learn how to calculate your tax rate and net income. Use online calculators to plan your finances and evaluate job offers. 9. Guard your health. Obtain health insurance to avoid financial ruin from medical emergencies. Maintain a healthy lifestyle to reduce medical costs. 10. College debt isn't 100% necessary. Explore scholarships, community colleges, and part-time study options to minimize debt. Ensure any debt taken on is for a high-paying career path. 11. Invest in yourself. Continuously improve your skills and education to increase earning potential. Invest in formal education, online courses, or self-study. 12. Diversify your investments. Spread investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and achieve long-term growth. Diversification is key to building wealth. Bonus 2. Here are 12 exercise on how to implement the takeaways. 1. Buying your first home. Calculate how much you need to save monthly to reach a 20% down payment in 5 years. Research the average home prices in your desired area and do the math. Compare this with the down payment you can afford now and see if entering the market sooner makes more financial sense. 2. Save, save, save. Analyze your monthly expenses and identify at least 3 unnecessary expenses you can eliminate. Redirect these amounts to a high-interest savings account and calculate how much you will save in a year. 3. Emergency fund. Calculate your essential monthly expenses, rent, food, bills, transportation, and determine how much you need to cover 6 months of expenses. Start transferring a fixed monthly amount to a separate account dedicated solely to your emergency fund. 4. Budgeting basics. Create a detailed budget for the next 3 months. List your income and all expenses, dividing them into needs and wants categories. Review the budget monthly and adjust as necessary to ensure you are saving as planned. 5. The power of compound interest. Open an investment or high-yield savings account. Invest a small initial amount and set up automatic monthly contributions. Use an online compound interest calculator to project the growth of your investment over 10, 20, and 30 years. 6. Secrets of credit. If you don't have a credit card, apply for one with a low interest rate. Use it for small monthly purchases and pay off the balance in full each month. Monitor your credit score using a free service and observe how your credit behavior affects your score. 7. Rules of insurance. Review all your current insurance policies: life, health, car, home. Compare coverages and premiums with other offers in the market. Adjust your policies if necessary to ensure you have adequate coverage at the best possible price. 8. Understanding taxes. Use an online tax calculator to compute your annual income tax based on your current salary. Make a plan to adjust your deductions or retirement contributions to maximize your tax efficiency. 9. Guard your health. Schedule a comprehensive medical checkup and create a personal health plan that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy habits. Also, review your health insurance options and ensure you are adequately covered. Rule 10. College debt isn't 100% necessary. Research scholarships, financial aid programs, and community colleges in your area. Make a list of all options that could reduce your education costs and plan to apply for at least 3 of these opportunities. 11. Invest in yourself. Choose a new skill or area of knowledge you want to develop. Enroll in an online course or workshop. Dedicate at least 1 hour per week to study and practice this new skill. 12. Diversify your investments. Review your current investment portfolio and evaluate the asset distribution. If necessary, diversify by buying a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate funds, and mutual funds. Use an online tool to simulate different asset allocation scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support enables us to continue delivering valuable content like this every day. Let's grow our financial knowledge together.